all on the M train. Middle Village and Metropolitan Avenue. Fresh Pond Road, Forest Avenue, Seneca Avenue, Myrtle Wyckoff Avenues, Knickerbocker Avenue, Central Avenue, Myrtle Avenue, Flushing Avenue, Lorimer Street, Hughes Street, Marcy Avenue, Delancey Street and Essex Street, Bleecker Street, West 4th Street and Washington Square, 14th Street, 6th Avenue, 23rd Street, 34th Street, Herald Square, 42nd Street, Bryant Park, 47th and 50th Streets, Rockefeller Center, 5th Avenue, Lexington Avenue and 53rd Street, Court Square and 23rd Street, Queens Plaza, 36th Street, Steinway Street, 46th Street, Northern Boulevard, 65th Street, 74th Street and Broadway, Elmhurst Avenue, Grand Avenue, Newtown, Woodhaven Boulevard, 63rd Drive and Rego Park, 67th Avenue, and Forest Hills and 71st Avenue.